Hello and welcome to the English Everyday channel. If you're learning English, this channel is for you. Do you want to speak English more confidently? Do you want to express yourself naturally in English? Many learners understand English well. But speaking can be tricky. The words don't always come easily. The rhythm feels uneven or awkward. That's where shadowing can help. Shadowing is a simple but powerful technique. You listen and repeat each sentence out loud. You copy the sounds, the rhythm, and the intonation. This helps your English sound natural and fluent. Today, we'll practice shadowing with a story about choices. It's emotional, reflective, and easy to follow. All sentences are short and clear, perfect for shadowing. So get comfortable. Listen closely. And repeat after me. It started with a short message. Just one line from him again. Why did you disappear like that? The words felt familiar and heavy. She read the message without surprise. This question had followed her before. The phone rested quietly in her hand. The room felt calm, almost protective. They had ended things weeks earlier. Not dramatically, just slowly pulling apart. No final conversation ever truly happened. Only distance growing day after day. Back when they were still together, everything required some kind of explanation. He noticed when she came home late. Asked who she was with repeatedly. He commented on her clothes casually. Too bright, too different, too noticeable. Even her laughter made him curious. Who made her smile like that? He said he worried because he cared. She wanted to believe that version. But being herself became uncomfortable. Every action felt quietly examined. She learned to explain things early. Before questions even reached his lips. When she asked for space once, he asked what she was hiding instead. Now, weeks later, old habits returned. Her fingers began typing automatically. She explained the silence carefully. The exhaustion, the need for distance. She wrote about stress and confusion. About feeling lost inside herself. Each sentence softened the truth slightly. Each word tried to sound reassuring. The message grew longer than expected. Paragraphs filled the small glowing screen. She reread it slowly from the beginning. Then once again, more critically. The tone felt painfully familiar. Understanding, gentle, almost apologetic. Reading it felt like shrinking again. Like returning to that smaller version. Her chest tightened as she noticed patterns. Apologies appeared without real reason. She leaned back and stared upward. The ceiling offered no judgment. That was when clarity quietly arrived. During their time together, something was missing. He never asked how she was feeling. Not once, not without suspicion. He asked why she changed behaviors. Why did she need space or silence? He asked questions shaped like concern, but never listened to the answers. She looked back at the message, at all the care poured inside. So much effort to be understood. So little space to simply exist. She deleted the last paragraph first. Then another disappeared without resistance. Each removed sentence eased her breathing. The tension slowly loosened its grip. Explanations vanished line by careful line. So did the need to justify herself. Soon the screen stood completely empty. No reasons remained, no apologies waited. She placed the phone beside her. The silence felt steady, not lonely. It felt like choosing herself quietly. Without asking permission or approval. For the first time in months, she stayed without explaining her absence. Sometimes, life teaches us quietly. Moments of choice can feel difficult, but they can also feel empowering, if we allow them to. I want to share a short reflection from my own life. With age, I've noticed a change in myself. I finally started choosing myself first. Not explaining, not being polite to everyone. It wasn't sudden or dramatic. It came slowly, one small decision at a time. Each choice to stay silent felt powerful. Each refusal to justify myself felt peaceful. This story reminds us, you don't always owe explanations to anyone. Choosing yourself is an act of courage. Tell me in the comments, have you ever chosen yourself over others' expectations? How did it feel? If you want even more daily practice, I post a short English quiz in the community every day. If you get something wrong, I always explain the correct answer, so you can learn in a simple and relaxed way. Thank you for practicing English with me today. I'll see you in the next story.